LVI has changed my approach to complex cases, but I would say LVI has changed my approach to simple cases. I remember single teeth crowns in the back that had poor retention. You know, the cement would come off and the patient would be coming in on these very short, worn down teeth, and a lot of frustration from my side. And I felt bad about myself that I thought that I just was not a good dentist, that there was something that I just was not doing right, that the patient's crown was debonding. So once I learned bonding techniques, I learned how the bite has a factor in why we have short teeth, parafunction, and other craniomandibular disorders. All of those things changed for me. From single tooth dentistry to very complex dentistry, everything all of a sudden I saw it with a different set of eyes from a different perspective, and that's really the main thing that I think has been a great thing for me through the LVI experience.